We are thrilled to present TCAT Henry Carroll with the prestigious first ever Tennessee's Post-Secondary Opening Ceremony Spirit Award.
For Quiz Bowl, the team taking gold, your state champions, Team A. In the competition of electrical construction wiring, your silver medalist, from TCAT Henry Carroll, Ethan Lewis. In the competition of CNC 2-axis turning programmer, taking home the silver medal, from TCAT Henry Carroll, William Parker. In the competition for Teamworks, taking home the bronze, from TCAT Henry Carroll, Team A.
The Division II James D. King Award goes to TCAT Henry Carroll.
In the competition for related technical math, your gold medalist, from TCAT Henry Carroll, Dakota Cummings. Congratulations, medalists. In the competition for collision repair technology, gold medalist, coming from TCAT Henry Carroll, Alexa Rogers. Congratulations, champions. For information technology services, gold medalist, from TCAT Henry Carroll, Joshua Hage. In the competition for industrial motor control, gold medalist, from TCAT Henry Carroll, Lee Bonee. In the competition for automated manufacturing technology, gold medalist team, from TCAT Henry Carroll, Team B, M. Stout, S. Campos, and R. Colson. Congratulations, champions.